everyone. In this video, I would like to show you just the basics. When you open your Pro 100, you will get a window like this one, and you'll be wondering, what do you do next? Well, the first thing is to get your catalog ready, the menu. So you go to Tools and click on Catalog, and it will pop up somewhere here. So you want to hold down your left click on your mouse right here, and then you drag it around and you will see the left, right, up, down arrow. That's basically telling you which side you need to dock your menu. Normally we set it up right there. You notice if you move it around, the arrows, it keeps shifting sides. So I want to dock mine right there. And then depending on the size of your screen, if you're using a laptop, most likely is anywhere between 13 inches or 15, 17. It's not really very big, so you might want to resize uh, your sidebar menu. You can also uh, hide it, auto hide. So when you click on that, it's always going to be there. When you hover, it's coming back. um, you can continue adding more menus that you use frequently. For example, if you are a cabinet maker, you definitely need structure. So you do the same thing. When you click on structure, I have two screens, so it just pop up. You get the same thing, and this time instead of docking it like that, you want to drop it right here, and it will set itself just next to each other like that. So you can continue to do the same with just about anything under drop down menu tools. So if I want my dimensions, same thing. I'm gonna bring it like that, and I just keep adding. So I have my catalog, I have my dimensions. If I have anything on the floor, let me do that. So if I have, let's say, a cabinet like that, I can go straight to dimensions. And if the dimensions are turned on, by the way, you can turn them on or off just by going to view and click on dimension. When you do that, you'll notice that this icon will be highlighted. So I just turn it off. I'm going to turn it back on, view, and you see now they highlighted. So I can now just click on the width. It will show me right there. I can click on the height, and dimensions can only be displayed on the plan, north, west, south, and east. Now notice you can also, just made a copy, you can also just measure by using the measuring tool. You click on that, and when you get closer to the edge, it will turn red, and you just draw it like that. You stop, move it up or down, it's up to you. All right. Okay, also I'm gonna show you a really nice feature, the zoom in, zoom out. I'm using my roller mouse, that little wheel. If you don't have that, actually a better way of doing this is you hold down your control key on your keyboard, and then you hold down your right click on your mouse. All right, when you do that, you get this type of thing. So you can just move it up and down. It's the same as zoom. Up and down is the same as zoom. All right, now the last feature that I want to show you, which is really powerful, especially if you build decks or closets, is the move feature. Move. So new element, and let's say you're doing decks and you have uh, your material right there, and you need copies of this all the way. You can just copy like that. That's okay, but the quickest way to do it is to right click, click on move, and then I would like to clone it. But before I do that, let's see the dimensions. So it's 9 5/16 deep. I'm gonna copy that, then I'm gonna add it right here. So I want to clone. Remember, you gotta change the axis. So I'm gonna clone from not left to right, forward back, because I want them to keep adding toward me. So I'm gonna click on it and just highlight, and then move, 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 move. My deck will be done in seconds. Another technique I'm going to show you is when you're doing shelves. Say you have a shelf right there, right? And you want the next shelf to be, let's say maybe 10 inches from the one below it. So I can just do. I want it to be 10 from this one, and I want it to move up. So I just clock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just keep going. All right. There's more tips and tricks. I will keep posting them. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.